This is our Christmas tree and our Christmas tree. This is Charlie Brown's house and Snoopy and our Christmas tree and another friend. Wonderful.
Jimmy, Mom's still recording.
Jimmy, say hi to everyone.
Hi!
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! I want to see Mommy.
You can see it. Look, there's a tree. Scoot back. Let's show everybody the tree. Look at the pretty tree. It's a candy tree.
It's my candy tree.
Uh-huh.
It's my candy tree. I'm so happy. 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 There's a thing.
Are you happy?
And I am.
Yes, you are.
It's nice and warm.
Nice and warm by the fire.
Nice and warm, Daddy.
How old are you, Jimmy?
3. It's going to arrive.
It's going to arrive.
It is. Is this for the plane?
Jimmy, say bye-bye.
Say
Jimmy.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.